Hi guys, in today's video I will talk about one mistake which I made before coming to Canada and it costed me $4,500 in just 2 months of my arrival in Canada. No one told me about this thing when I was coming here, but you guys are at the right place because by watching this video alone you are saving thousands of dollars. Before I go ahead, I like to show you something. Do you know high cost of dental services forcing patients to seek some alternate options? Do you want to know what that options are? Canadians spend about $12 billion a year on dental services and around 6 million people avoid going to dentist due to high costs. If you compare Canadian dental services to Asian countries like India or Pakistan, the difference is almost 10 times expensive in Canada. Yes guys, you heard it right, 10 times more. Tooth filling in Canada would cost you somewhere between $300 to $500, but whereas in India it is no more than $50 and a root canal treatment could go up to $1,500. How much you guys spent in a year in your home country on dental services? Please let me know in the comment sections below. Even Canadian citizens need to pay for dental services out of their own pocket. If you are coming to Canada as an international student, make sure you check your insurance policy and see what's included in there or not. And if you are coming as a work permit as a work permit holder, make sure you review with your employer what benefits they are offering to you. Guys, if you have already packed your bags to Canada, make sure you have included these 7 documents in the hand baggage. And if you have any questions regarding your application which is under process and you need to talk with an IRCC representative out of Canada, you can make a free call using this video. So guys, as I told you, by watching this video alone, which make you save thousands of dollars, and if you want to save more money in future, subscribe to my channel because I will be making a lot of videos which will help you save time and money when it comes to Canadian immigration. So guys, now you know what to do. Make sure you visit your dentist before coming to Canada and let me know in the comment section that was this part of your plan or not. Thanks for watching.